Hello guys! Today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you if you can pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously. The answer depends on what you want to do actually, because when you want to connect your earbuds, both earbuds, to two different devices, but as I said, two earbuds to two devices as the pack. Yes, you can do it because these headphones do support dual connection mode. But if you want to connect separately left earbud with, for example, this phone and the right earbud, for example, to this phone, no, you can't do such combination because it's just not available. That's it. Goodbye.